मिशन चढ़ती कला। और मैं भारत के हर नागरिक को, उद्योगपति को, चैरिटेबल ट्रस्टों को, कलाकारों को, पूरी दुनिया में बसते पंजाबियों को, बहन भाइयों को दिल से अपील करता हूँ, आओ पंजाब को दोबारा अपने पाँव पे खड़े करने का टाइम आ गया है। पुनर्वास में और रिस्ट्रक्चर में पंजाब का साथ दीजिए। मैं वचन देता हूँ, जो भी आप मेहनत की कमाई से 1 रुपया भी अगर निकालोगे तो 1.25 रुपया बना के हम पारदर्शिता और ईमानदारी से इस्तेमाल करेंगे। और जानकारी चाहिए तो rangla.punjab.gov.in ये वेबसाइट पे जा सकते हैं, सब कुछ डिटेल मिल जाएगी। आओ मिलकर हाथ से हाथ जोड़ के एक ऐसा पुण्य इसमें योगदान डालें और बता दें दुनिया को कि पंजाब किसी भी संकट के सामने हारता नहीं है।
Hey viewers, you're watching The Savera and I'm Vidhi Joshi. The Netflix web series The Bads of Bollywood, directed by Aryan Khan, has landed in controversy after a complaint alleged that actor Ranbir Kapoor was shown using a banned e-cigarette on screen without any statutory warning. In response, the National Human Rights Commission issued a letter to the Secretary of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, urging action to prohibit such content due to its potential influence on young viewers. The NHRC also wrote to the Commissioner of Mumbai Police recommending that an FIR be registered against Ranbir Kapoor, the producers, the production company and Netflix for violating the Prohibition of Electronic Cigarettes Act 2019. The complaint highlighted that such scenes not only contravene Indian law but also risk glamorizing banned substances and influencing public behaviour, especially among adolescents. The 2019 Act prohibits the production, manufacture, import, sale, distribution, storage and advertisement of e-cigarettes. According to the NHRC, the on-screen use of such products without a health disclaimer directly contradicts the legislation's intent. Legal experts suggest that if the allegations are substantiated, the OTT platforms and the show's creator could face serious consequences. As of now, neither Netflix nor Ranbir Kapoor's team has issued a public response. While this legal and regulatory angle plays out, it's important to recognize that The Bads of Bollywood is not a typical Bollywood drama or promotional vehicle. It is a farce, an exaggerated, chaotic and self-aware portrayal of the film industry, built to critique its absurdities. Often confused with satire or parody, Farce takes things a step forward. While satire critiques systems and parody mocks specific works, Farce embraces outrageous exaggeration to expose the chaos of an entire ecosystem. Aryan Khan's directorial debut thrives in this space, deliberately offensive, politically incorrect and layered with irony. Aryan, who gave no interviews before the release, allowed the show to speak for itself, and it does loudly. The series, inspired by the tone of Om Shanti Om and the irreverent humour of Delhi Belly, occasionally challenged the anarchic spirit of Borat, where the buffoonery is a vehicle for critique. One of the most controversial scenes occurs in the second episode, where a producer ridicules a female production designer for painting a wall pink instead of blue. After a physical altercation, the producer kicks her in a cartoonish manner, later justifying it by saying, "I would never raise a hand on a woman." The hero intervenes, nearly punches him but stops to say, "You are lucky, even I would never hit a woman." The irony is intentional and the ambiguity invites multiple interpretations, none of which are meant to comfort the viewer. Aryan even turns the joke on himself in 2 instances. The phrase, directed by Aryan Khan, appears as a punchline once after a character solemnly says, "Say no to drugs," and again in a bizarre moment involving an entitled star kid. These choices reflect Aryan's willingness to critique not just the industry but also his own place within it. Far from glorifying Bollywood's vices, The Bads of Bollywood uses absurdity to hold up a mirror to them. Aryan may be the clown, but he is the one running the show. That's all for now. Stay tuned to The Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.